Well, this is about the best I can do is record from the glasses. And the steering wheel actually is straight. It's just that the wind is blowing from this direction, from that direction to this direction. So I kind of have to. Oh man, look at this shit right here. I got a decade of driving and this is new to me. Well, I'm definitely not doing 75 miles an hour. For all of those combat veteran commenters that be down there trolling, my little troll minions, they're gonna be like, you should have been driving a lot slower. Well, guess what? I'm only doing like 46 miles an hour in a 75. And if you want to know, I am in Kermit, Texas. I am done Sirius, and I have a decade of trucking experience, but this is new to me. And I am in a sandstorm. Best believe that.